Welcome to Character Creation for Games, Sculpting in ZBrush, the course to learn digital sculpting and basic anatomy. I'm Corazon Bryant, professional 3D artist and educator. I've done hundreds of 3D graphics from the architecture, advertising, and game industry. In this course, you will gain a better understanding on how to create realistic full-body character from scratch. The course walks you through ZBrush program from the very beginning, how to navigate in the software, knowing the brushes, how masking can be used, working with Dynamesh, creating muscle definition, adding armor, shoes, and cloth to the character, adjusting lights and materials, and finally how to pose and render your character for a beauty shot. I designed this course for 3D artists who want to take their skills to the next level by implementing correct proportions, accurate anatomy, creating extra details such as veins, pores, and wear and tear to their own 3D character. Take the time to look at my preview videos so you can get a feel of my teaching style. If you like what you hear and what you see, come and join this course.